This is conference management system. It is developed in ASP.NET and C# and SQL Server. So basically this project is to upload the document for review, and there is a reviewer is there. He will review the document uploaded, and there is a chairperson who will be monitor and manage the process. Okay. So once you buy this project, you will get this source code, then this database script file, then installation guide, project report, and synopsis file. Okay, so first you have to configure your database. You can use any version of Visual Studio. I am using Visual Studio 2014 Express Edition. Okay, so you have to just first start the Visual Studio, sorry, SQL Server 2014 Management Studio, or whatever SQL Server you have installed. First you have to connect the database. So I'll just connect. Then you need to create a new database, and you have to execute the script file to create all the tables with sample data. So just right click on database tree, select new database option, give the database name MDCMSDB, click on OK. So it will create a new database in SQL Server. Okay, this database does not have any table because it is only the blank database. So I will write on query. I have the DB script file that will get this one. So I will use this to create all the tables. Copy the path, then file, open, again file, select the path of the file, select the file, the script file, click on open. So this is create all the create also there. So I have already created the database, so I will not create again. I just remove this portion, and I will use that database name as CMSDB. Okay. So all the insert and create is there, so I have to just execute this one. So it will create all the tables. Just refresh it. It will create all the tables. Okay. Now there is a user master is there, so you can just check that data. There is a three set of user. One is the author, one is the reviewer, one is the chairperson. So you can create the new user also, or you can use existing user also. So I'll show you both. So now then you have to configure your project. This is a source code folder. You just copy this path and start Visual Studio. I'm using Visual Studio 2017 Community Edition. So you can use any version you have. Visual Studio 2017. Click on File, Open Website. Paste the path, click on Open. It will open the project. Okay, here you have to do just two things. One, you have to change the connection string. Okay, so just double click CLS when this is the database connection string. This is the your data SQL server. This is the database name. Okay, so how we'll get the data source name? You just go to SQL server and click on this database server. Click on properties. We'll get the name of database server. Just copy this and paste here. It may be SQL Express. In your system, it will be defined, so you have to just copy and paste. Now this is a DB name. I am giving the DB name as CMSDB. So I'll use that one, CMSDB. Just to rename, copy it and paste here. Okay, then save this file, and you have to just change that here. What you have to change? You have to change that default, set as default page. Okay, set as startup page. So these are the design of the project. If you want to any change or anything, you can change in like this conference management system 2020 or 2021. You can do that change also. Like this logo, this is image file. You can do changes also. Okay, so if you don't want anything change, just save it, and then you have to run the project. Now either you can use existing user ID and password, or you can sign up. So I'll sign up as an author. So this is the author or reviewer. So I'll give a author. Say name is Aniket at audentry.com. Password is 11. And first name is Aniket. And then submit. So this is your login ID and this is your password. Password will be 4 characters. So I have to give 4 characters. 1, 2, 3, 4. So user need to log in the system. I've given the password. Login. Because he did not upload any paper, so you need to upload the paper. Upload paper. Say test project list. Say my test project list. Choose file. So you can select the file, which file need to upload. Then submit. This file already exists, so I can give the different file. Choose file. File is uploaded. Okay. Now this file is not reviewed, only uploaded. Okay. So once review or chairperson login, he can allocate this paper to that reviewer. Okay, so I can edit my profile. I am not updated all the details. So I can say city is Mumbai, so I just click on city, submit. So I can edit word or whatever. Now suppose I want to log in as a chairperson, chair. Chair means you can say admin person. You can control all that. Okay. Now you need to assign paper. So this is the last paper is uploaded today, the 26/10/7. This is not allocated to any assigned to any reviewer. So I have to assign this. So I need to select and assign. I have to click this one. Now I need to assign particular reviewer. So if I don't know reviewer name or something, I can select the reviewer. So is there any reviewer is there? Yeah, this r.cms one is the reviewer is there. So his name is 123 password. And what is this? Reviewer. Check. So Ravi is the reviewer name. So if I don't know the name of the person, I can find it. So I will type in the Ravi. Find this one Ravi. Select the ID. Now we have to update. Now this is assigned to reviewer ID 2. So when reviewer ID 2 is login, this paper will visible to his ID, he can review it. So now I need to log in with reviewer. So I'll log out again and I log in as a reviewer 2. Reviewer 2 I can, or just check there, reviewer 2 is either this one. So I'll just go, sorry, this one. Password is password 124. Now his one paper is assigned to him. Okay, this one. Now he need to log a paper, so he can go review paper and he can select the paper. Now he need to check the paper. Okay. So he will view that paper which is uploaded. Okay. Now once he check all the details, then he can select whatever that remarks. So he will remark like it is good, excellent, bad. So he can submit a update. So it is updated, excellent. So once that chairperson is login, so he can view all the what is going on, like how many paper is uploaded, how many is reviewed, and whatever data is we can view. Okay, so he will just log in as a chairperson. This is the user master. You have to go, and that chairperson ID is chair at CMS. So you have to use that ID password. This paper is latest updated. This is extended report. This report is there. So how many paper he is means it will show all the details. Okay. So this is the project. It is basically conference management system where there is a reviewer is there, author is there, and so multiple author can submit his paper, like that project paper can submit, and the chairperson can assign to reviewer that paper. He will review and he will rate the paper. Okay, that can be shown to persons. So you will get all the source code. This file, all files will get. Okay, and the roll paper which is uploaded will store in that folder in the application only.